In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmeet in Gmail. By the end, you'll have Google Meet visible right inside your Gmail sidebar, making it easier to start or join meetings without opening a separate tab. This walkthrough focuses on Gmail in a desktop web browser, and it's quick, clear, and easy to follow. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in as you normally do. Look to the top right corner of the Gmail window and find the gear-shaped icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, you'll see a link labeled See All Settings. Click that link to open the full settings page, which gives you access to everything we need for this change. Across the top of the settings page, you'll notice a row of tabs. Find and select the tab called Chat and Meet. This is where Google keeps the options that control chat tools and the integration with Google Meet inside Gmail. Once you're on that tab, look for the section labeled Meet. There, you'll see an option to show or hide Meet in your main menu. Select Show the Meet section in the main menu. Turning this on places a Meet area in the left-hand sidebar of Gmail, so you can quickly start a new meeting or join one using a code. It's a small change that saves time and keeps your communication tools in one place. After you've chosen to show the Meet section, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is important. Without saving, your selection won't take effect. Gmail may briefly reload to apply the new setting. When it does, look at the left sidebar and you should see the Meet section appear. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser and it should show up. If you ever want to hide it again, repeat these steps, choose Hide the Meet section, and save. Also, if you don't see the Chat and Meet tab or the Meet option at all, it's possible that your organization's administrator has disabled it. In that case, you'll need to check with your workspace admin. For personal accounts, make sure you're using an up-to-date browser and that you're on the standard Gmail view. That's all there is to it. You've enabled Google Meet in Gmail, keeping meetings just a click away. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along as you make the change.